Hey there. So there's an upcoming live workshop series that I want to let you know about. It's called Blood Work MasterClass Live plus Exercise is Medicine. So this is going to be a 2-hour event with networking with food plus a 90-minute content lecture that will help you to better understand and conceptualize common blood tests that you should be aware about and to reframe how you view these blood tests. You see, when you go to the doctor, sometimes your LDL cholesterol is high or your blood glucose is high, and there's a big myopic focus on looking at biomarkers in isolation. This marker's high, so you need to take this supplement or this drug. But after attending this workshop, you'll have a better understanding about how to conceptualize your biomarkers and your common lab test in terms of clusters and patterns and trends so that you can better personalize your nutrition, your exercise, your stress and sleep reduction strategies, also your circadian rhythms, and how to look at trends over time. So this is going to be a deep dive into all of the things that you need to know to better assess and better support metabolic health and longevity. And the cool part is you can network with people in your city. We're going to hang out and talk, have some food, and then get down to business, talk about the latest science when it comes to exercise, metabolic health, longevity, carb cycling, muscle. It's going to be jam-packed for 90 minutes, and you're going to be able to meet friends and interact. Hopefully we can have some food together and shake hands. So I'll put links below to live events that might be happening in your area. During the month of December, we have Austin, Texas, and also Dallas, Texas. So I would love to see you there, but we're going to have other cities as well throughout the US. So hopefully you can attend Bloodwork Masterclass Live and learn the latest strategies when it comes to supporting metabolic health and longevity. So we'll see you there.